at the color.
Oh my god, it smells so...
Nandito kami sa Malaysia. We're here in Malaysia, in Kuala Lumpur. I'm gonna try this Musan King Durian ice cream. I know a lot of people don't like durian, but I like it. Let's see how it tastes.
Oh, it smells I wish you guys could smell this.
Look at the color.
Oh my god, it smells so...
How's it?
Looks good. It smells bad, but it's good.
Would you recommend your friends to come here in KL and
Oh
taste
yes,
it?
absolutely. But you have to wear a nose plug before you try it. Looks good.
Okay, so update on the durian already. My mouth smells bad. It's disgusting. This is not a date dessert. I'll be telling you that. Final update. I keep burping and it really stinks. So, in case you want to try the durian ice cream, beware. Buyer beware. Buyer be burp.
It smells bad, but it's good.